are three different cities of India, and these are images of these cities in the month of January. Now, what season is in January? It's winter season, right? But the effect of winter season is different in all these three cities. So when we talk about Manali, well, Manali is snow covered in January. It's very cold out there. When we come to Patna, Patna is again very cold and foggy. And what about Chennai? Well, it's raining in Chennai. So, same month, but very different scenarios. Why is it so? If it is winter in all these three places, then why are the scenarios so different? That's because although the season is same, climates are different. So all these places have same season but different climates. So climate plays a very important part in conditions of a place, not totally depending on the season. So these places are experiencing same season but they have different climates. In fact, in entire India, there are different climatic zones, and the climate of a place is dependent on which climatic zone that place lies in. So when we talk about the entire India, although this entire country is one single unit, all the places have different climates. For example, this upper part will have a more extreme winter. So most of these places are covered with snow during winter season. While if you come to this region has moderate temperatures in winter season. So it's pleasant out there when it is winter. So you see, different places have different climates in our country. So because of this, entire country has been divided into number of climatic zones. So what are these climatic zones? Well, we have the mountain climate. So this entire region here has mountain climate. Then we have humid subtropical climate. So this entire region marked by number 2 has humid subtropical climate. Then we have desert climate. So this area here marked by 3 has desert climate. Then we have semi-arid climate. So this entire region marked by 4 has semi-arid climate. And then we have tropical wet and dry climate. So this entire region, including this and these islands, have tropical wet and dry climate. So you see, this entire country can be divided into 5 major climatic zones, and according to the climatic zone, the conditions of that place are defined. So let's understand what are these climatic zones. So first of all, let's understand the mountain climate. Now, in the case of mountain climate, we have cool summers, rain during monsoon, and we have very cold winters. So this entire region has mountain climate because this entire region is covered with mountains. So these high mountains are snow covered, and during winters it becomes very cold. As a result, it's very cold in winters and they have very cool summers. So even in summers they are not very hot because this area entire area actually is mountainous region. So this region has a mountain climate. Now, which states majorly have mountain climate? Well, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh have mountain climate. So these states majorly, or major parts of these states experience mountain climate. Now, one good example of mountain climate is the city of Shimla. So if you visit Shimla in winters, then you will see that it has very cold winters and it is completely covered with snow. And if you visit Shimla in summers, you will see that it has cool summers. So very pleasant even in summers, because it is a cold place. It's a mountainous region and it has a mountain climate. So because Shimla falls in this region which has a mountain climate, that's why Shimla exhibits cool summers and very cold winters. So mountain climate has cool summers, hot summers, or wet summers. What do you think? Well, the answer is cool summers. So mountain climate has cool summers. Now let's come to humid subtropical climate. Now what type of climate is it? Well, in this type of climate, we have hot summers, monsoon rain, heavier in the east than the west. So the eastern region gets more rainfall compared to the western region, and cold winters. Again, colder in the northern and hilly regions. So northern and hilly regions are cooler compared to the southern part. So you see, humid subtropical climate exhibits hot summers, monsoon rain, and cold winters. Now important thing is that it's humid. So air in this region usually contains high moisture. So moisture content is very high, and as a result it has a humid subtropical climate. So hot summers with lots of humidity. Now, which are the states that have this type of climate? Well, major parts of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam have humid subtropical climate. So these states majorly have humid subtropical climate. And one good example is the city of Patna. So city of Patna has very hot summers and cold winters, and these summers are very humid because Patna falls in the humid subtropical climate. So this is a good example of humid subtropical climate. Now let's come to the desert climate. Now desert climate is very different because it has hot summers, very low or no monsoon rain at all, and cool winters. So in the case of desert or the desert climate, we have very hot summers, almost no rainfall, and cool winters. And majorly Gujarat and Rajasthan experience desert climate. So these two states have desert climate. And one good example is the Jaisalmer city. So in Jaisalmer city, it is very common to see hot and dry summers with occasional dust storms, because it is very hot and dry out there and it hardly rains. So hot and dry summers with occasional dust storms, and cool winters. Being a desert region, it becomes very cold in winters too. So next come to semi-arid climate. Now what exactly is semi-arid climate? Well, it has hot summers but little more rain than desert region. So it receives some rainfall. That's why it does not have a desert climate. Instead, it has a semi-arid climate, and it has cool or cold winters depending on the region. Now, which states experience semi-arid climate? Well, parts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh experience semi-arid climate. So all these states or parts of these states experience semi-arid climate. And one good example is Jaipur. So Jaipur has a semi-arid climate. So if you go to Jaipur, you will see that it has hot summers, cold winters, and moderate to low rainfall. So it receives rainfall, but not that much. So it receives more rainfall than, say, desert climate, but lesser compared to other climatic regions. So it has a semi-arid climate. Now let's come to tropical wet and dry climate. Now what is tropical wet and dry? Well, as the name suggests, when it rains a lot. And when it is dry season, it's very dry. So it has hot summers, rainy monsoon, and dry winters. Again, winters has a condition. It is less colder than northern areas. So if we compare to northern areas, these areas are less colder. And which states have tropical wet and dry climate? Well, major parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Mizoram, Tripura. All these, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands, have tropical wet and dry climate. So all these places experience this type of climate, that is wet as well as dry. And a good example is Mumbai. So Mumbai also experiences a tropical wet and dry climate. And what exactly is tropical wet and dry? Well, Mumbai has wet monsoon and dry summers. So during monsoon, it rains a lot, while in summers, it's very dry. So both wet and dry at the same time. So tropical wet and dry climate. So during different times of the year, this place is very wet in some parts and very dry in some parts. So we have 5 major climatic zones in our country. These are the mountain climate. So this entire region has mountain climate covered with mountains. Humid subtropical climate. So this entire region has humid subtropical climate. So very humid region. Then we have the desert climate, very dry with almost no rainfall. Then we have semi-arid climate, which receives some rainfall but not as much as other regions. Then we have tropical wet and dry climate. So this entire region, including the islands, have tropical wet and dry climate. So in one part of the year, they are very dry, and in another part, these places are very wet. So they show both wet and dry characteristics, and that's why it's tropical wet and dry. So these are the 5 major climatic zones in our country, and according to the climatic zone, the conditions of the place are decided. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.